Hello everyone. Did you know that? After reaching the YouTube monetization requirements 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it can take up to 30 days for YouTube to review your channel. This is manually reviewed by a human, and you have to wait an additional 30 days to reapply if application is denied. Not only that, you will also need to wait a few weeks or a few months to get your PIN verification through mail. I will share you some tips that will surely help you grow and motivate you from starting your own new channel. So, here is some 7 tips and tricks on how to get monetized fast and to prevent you from a denied application. Number 1. Focus on your content. Make sure to don't focus on how many your subscribers is, your watch hours, and also your video views. Instead, yes, focus on your content. Because the most important and your main goal here is your content. Never mind your subscribers count from now, focus on how will people love your content. I'll tell you why once your viewers found your content helpful, entertaining, etc. I am sure you won't need to ask them to please subscribe to my channel. Even you don't ask them, they will do it automatically. You will grow your subscribers in no time. So make sure to make the best content that you can, even if you are just a new YouTube content creator. And don't forget, clear video quality will also help. Number 2. Prevent copyrighted videos. Make sure to avoid re-uploading videos or copyrighted videos even though YouTube's system don't detect it for now. Because once you've reached the monetization requirements and applied for a monetization, don't expect that it will be easy. Because a human will manually check or verify your videos to make sure that you don't violated any of their policies. They will choose to check the video with the highest impressions, but don't worry. Even if your video violated any of their policy, your channel's still safe. They will just ask you to delete that video, and they will tell you what to do. But the only problem is if you deleted that video, the watch hours you get from that video will not be counted anymore, or it will be deducted from your total watch hours. Number 3. Don't do sub to sub or watch to watch. Bro, don't waste your time asking them one by one to subscribe on your channel, or asking them to exchange subs and watch hours. Because they are counted as not a legit subscribers or viewers. And do you think they will stay as your subscribers in a few days, weeks, months or years? I guess no, they will cheat on you. Why? Cause too many notifications from different channel is really annoying, so of course if I were them, I will unsubscribe. And also spam subscriptions without views more than 2 to 3 minutes will be automatically removed by YouTube. I'll repeat, spam subscription. Number 4. Focus on only one content. If you have made different kind of content, find the content with the highest impressions, and make a new one with the same content. Example, How to Be Happy Part 1, and How to Be Happy Part 2. And connects them together by linking. Number 5. Use free copyrighted music or music with no copyright. To prevent re-editing your videos, make sure to use free copyrighted music or no copyright music. It's better to get them from YouTube audio library. Because some of music you may find on different channel has no copyright from now, but in a few days, or months, YouTube will detect it as copyrighted music. That's based on my experience. Number 6. Choose your thumbnail wisely. Thumbnail is one of the most important thing to attract your viewers than the title itself. Make sure to make your thumbnail very clear. For text fonts or styles, just use the simple one. Don't put too much text, and try to use the combination of black for the background, yellow for the borders or stroke and red or white for the fonts. Make sure that if they saw your thumbnail, they will get curious and attracted. Then boom, you just got a view. Number 7. Direct to the point. At the beginning of the video, don't use too long introduction, don't use your subscribe to my channel as intro, and don't use your channel name as your intro. Go direct to the point. You can show them the main content of your video at the beginning. or show the climax part of your video, then you can cut it or do a suspense and that will your channel name or subscribe to my channel intro will enter. Don't work too hard. Work smart. Thanks for watching.